Guys, welcome back. I think we're making a smoothie today, but let's see. Keep cool. This should be tweezers and a straw. Yeah, we have our mason jar, some mixed berries, the stuff that, it's like crushed ice, thickens it a bit, and then the smoothie resin. Very cool. Here's one we're making. I did make this one. It wasn't that exciting, but I think this one might look better with the different berries in there suspended. So we're going to add the resin, mix it with some of that thickening stuff, then add the berries where you want it, cure it. So another easy build. Let's go ahead and open this. There's a lot in here. I don't think we're going to need that much if I remember correctly. I guess you can add however much you want, really. So let's add some resin. I might just let it sit like that for a while because it doesn't feel like there's too much in there, which is concerning. But we can open this other stuff while that drips down. Okay, I let it drip and hang upside down for a long time. It's about halfway full, which isn't much in my opinion, but there is tons of this stuff, so I think volume-wise we're gonna be okay. Just adding in a bunch now to start stirring it. Though, actually I'm not sure because it shows it being filled to the complete top. Maybe we are supposed to use all this. We're about to find out. I'm just going to keep stirring it. I feel like it's going to be hard to see the berries, but maybe not. I'll probably be able to, I'm going to take this out. I'll probably be able to push them up against that glass. I'm going to use a toothpick, and then we'll put the straw in at the very end. It's very gritty in there. And again, I guess we're supposed to add more because we're not quite to the top. It was so long ago that I did the other one, I don't even really remember how full that one was. There's other resins I could add to it, but don't know that I will. I really liked how purple it was, but it's muted looking now that we've added all that white, gritty ice stuff in there. Let's see if we can dump that back in there. Yeah, I wish there was a little bit more resin, but there isn't. I think I'm going to add some of the pink. Luckily, I just did the donuts, so I have extra, a lot extra actually, resin from that. I always keep my resins. I used to toss them like if there wasn't much left in it, but I've learned pretty quickly that they can be very useful. Sometimes you literally just need a drop to finish doing whatever you're doing. Just like that. That looks pretty decent. Okay, let's see if I can drop some of these darker berries in there. They give us 2 different shades of raspberries and some blueberries. So I'm going to drop just a couple in there and see if I can push them down but up against the glass. Because you want to be able to see the berries. I don't know that I'm going to push them down very far, but it would be cool to see some through the jar. I'll probably cure it and then do the top separately, because I think they might sink if I do them now. And maybe not, that stuff's pretty thick, but there's times before where I've trusted it wouldn't sink and it did, and then it kind of ruined the vibe I was looking for. So trying to really push them up against the glass so they're easy to see. I think I need a couple over here and then I should be okay to cure it. I'm not sure that we're going to be able to see the red one that well. Yeah, you kind of can. Maybe I should have done this in layers so that I could have had them throughout, like really speckled in there, but too late now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cure this and I'll be back to do the top. All right, so there is an air bubble at the top, but we're gonna cover that up in just a moment. Looks pretty good. You could see different berries speckled throughout, and I remembered at the last second to put the straw in, so we did successfully get that in there in time. So let me add some more resin to the top of here. I don't think I'm gonna mix it with any more of the powdery stuff, but I will move it around to make sure it's covering that whole surface there so it looks more natural on top. It's kind of a color difference, but meh, I don't really care. Okay, so let's start adding berries to the top. I'm just going to drop them on there. Maybe one over there. This is where I always have problems. It's like, do I add a bunch? Is less more? I will kind of scoot them in a little closer. Well, it's not exactly going how I thought it would. I wonder if I should put one on top. Maybe an extra one there like that. I feel like I put too many, but I also feel like it's too late. Let me see if I could arrange this and then I'll cure it. So I ended up scooching the berries real close together, putting that blueberry kind of on top of the other, and I think it looks a lot better. Maybe I should have scattered more of the berries throughout, but overall, I think it turned out pretty good. Out of 10, I guess I would give this one like a 7. Again, not too thrilled or excited for this one by any means. I think there's a lot more exciting ones in this series, and I'm only missing the sandwich cookies. So hopefully I will find that one. I've checked several full boxes, and according to the little bump codes or the dot codes, I hadn't found it yet, but hopefully I will find it soon. If you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.